What's going on, my hookah aficionados? This is DMZ TV, your boy, the Italian Stallion Nick. And here with me today, I got the one and only, my dog.
Big shot to Marco, baby. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are revealing our favorite mini hookah. Now, this episode is brought to you by Zahrah. Now, as I mentioned before, good lads, we will be revealing our favorite mini hookah. And that is the Zahrah Mini. Yes, absolutely.
DeMarco, quick. 4 things you like about the Zahrah Mini now.
Mobility, detachable diffuser, customizable, and smokes like an atom bomb. Done. Nick, your turn.
Well, I mean, what can I say? There's so much to say in a little bit of time, but they take everything on the table. They take the modernization. They take the traditional style, a little bit of chemical X on top, and boom! Zahrah Mini.
Now, without further ado, good lads and chaps, we'll be breaking down the Zahrah Mini. Cheers.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now here in front of us we have the royal blue Zahrah Mini broken down into 6 pieces.
Ooh, that's on crib.
We're going to start here with the stainless steel downstem and diffuser. If you notice, the diffuser is detachable. It allows you to choose whether you want the traditional smoke or the nice and quiet one. Now we're going to take the heart of the hookah. We're going to attach it to the stainless steel downstem. From there, we're going to attach the upper stem to the heart. Now, if you look at from the heart all the way to the tray, it is aluminum grade aerospace material, which makes it nice and lightweight and very durable. It is also anodized with the paint to prevent scratching and chipping or tarnishing of the color. Now we're gonna move to this beautiful Bohemian base we have here. Handcrafted, pops with color, very, very nice.
So beautiful.
Let's put it together. There you go, there you go, nice and tight. Thank goodness for those built-in grommets on the heart of the hookah. Air sealed, baby. Alright, now let's put these Zahrah Minis to work, DeMarco.
Work, work.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Work hard, smoke hard.
Ooh.
Nestled in this beautiful box, the tobacco of choice today, ladies and gentlemen, is from Turkey. Our boys Kinziman. Watch this, you ready?
I'm ready.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory's golden tickets, baby.
Willy Wonka, Willy Wonka.
Delicioso. Yes. What?
Oh, that can't be right.
What time is it?
It's saying it's time for a
smoke check.
Talk to me, DeMarco.
I got the Zahrah Genie in its hot pink beauty. I got my Russian ST bowl on top. Now this is the Zahrah Mini, of course. And with my Ottoman Ignis HMD with Shimon Coles on top. And I'm smoking that Kinziman Black. Great. It's black, baby. What you got, Nick?
That's cute, DeMarco. Over here, I got the Zahrah Mini Ringer. The bowl on top is a Dawn Evil bowl. Its hat for the day is the Cloud Lotus. And the tobacco I'm using by Kinziman is fast food. So DeMarco.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what these things are smoking like.
Cheers, mate. Oh,
that's nice. That's nice.
It's beautiful.
Man, that draw is open.
Super open. Super,
like
super
I'm breathing.
Beautiful.
I breathe better through the hookah than I breathe normally.
Now that diffuser at the bottom is detachable. If you guys want the sound, it's optional, whatever you want. If you want it super silent, that baby is super silent. Yes. Now listen, ladies. Listen, ladies. Size doesn't matter.
When it comes to hookah, ladies.
When it comes to hookah.
And gentlemen.
One more cloud?
One more cloud.
Beautiful. I love it. And there you have it, hookah lovers. The Zahrah Mini, the bringer, the genie. Yes, sir. Now, this episode, again, was brought to you guys by Zahrah. Now, you know the drill. Smash that like button.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget the little bell at the top for all the latest notifications. And also, guys, drop a comment below. What do you guys like to smoke? Have you ever tried the Zahrah Mini before? Let us know. Describe it.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I would love to hear from our viewers about what they're smoking, what they think of our episodes. And you know what? For today's episode, I would really love to hear what mini hookah you like to smoke on the regular.
Indeed. Now, you know, it's DMZ TV. It's your boy, Big Shot DeMarco.
And your boy, the Italian Stallion, Nick.
And we are out.
Second last in a lot though. Big chop knock a nigga out zapatos. Still getting queso like nachos. Uno, dos, no tres, she a taco. We got second last in a lot though.
What do you mean?
Big chop knock a nigga out zapatos.
I'm like popping and doing the box, you know?
Yo, you recording?